Well, today I'm going to be replacing the Delkevic exhaust that I installed 4 years ago with a different Delkevic exhaust. And I've really enjoyed this exhaust system, but lately on a long trip with my wife, it was a little bit noisier than I really wanted it to be. Part of it has to do with the exhaust is actually, in my opinion, too short. 13 inches doesn't match the length of the bag, and I don't like that stubby exhaust look. So I just received today the 18-inch long Delkevic oval exhaust. So they're not tri-ovals, they're just nice and round, and you can already see the difference in length. Large, rather big difference here. Goes all the way, matches the length of the bag. So let's put it right up there against it, and you'll see significant difference. And now with the exhaust basically matching the length of the bag, you can see that should even look better than what I have on there now. We'll soon find out. The packaging is really nice. Comes with everything you need. The clamps. Very nice exhaust system, that's for sure. Alright, so strap is off. This is going to be pretty quick. You're going to have to squirt some WD-40 on those threads because it's pretty tight. Okay, the old sleeve has been removed and everything's been cleaned up. And here's the new sleeve. And because I'm trying to do this with one hand, it's going to be a little difficult, so okay, the sleeve is installed properly. I just basically pushed it in with this socket right here. Just kind of push it a little bit, and then just make sure you have no burrs and everything is smooth. It has to be smooth so that when you slide in this section in there, needs to go in there nice and smooth. Delkevic also provides exhaust sealer, so I'll put a little bit of that here on the end so we have a good seal. This is what the strap's going to look like once you remove the protective covering and install the rubber within the strap. Okay, one side is complete. Everything has been tightened down just right. And you can see the rather dramatic difference here. There's the old exhaust. That's the 13-inch Delkevic back there. And you can see, if I line it up, how much further out the 18-inch goes. So I'm really happy so far with how this is turning out. So we'll get started on the other side. There's the 18-inch tip, which lines up with the fender. Okay, now for the right side. Here's the original clamp. I sprayed it out with WD-40 about an hour ago, so I'm going to start on this side. Here's the old clamp in great shape. Here's the exhaust sleeve. It's in good shape. It's reusable, but obviously going to use the new sleeve. It came with kit. I just now noticed that this clamp is far better than the Delkevic one because there's a slot right here. And it fits in there perfectly. So when you put this one on, it only will fit on one way. And will stay locked in this little notch right there. See? And that's far better than what Delkevic gave me here. That's pretty disappointing. This is the factory clamp. Just need to grease it all up when you put it back together. Okay. Exhaust sealer on. That's about right. Okay, the exhaust is horizontal, straight up and down perfectly. Now what you want to do is you install everything loose, and then once you get everything lined up just the way you want it, then you go ahead and tighten everything down. This is what it should look like once you're done. And again, the factory sleeve has that notch right there. So before you put everything back together, such as your side bags, you want to measure the height of your exhaust on both sides. And this one's 18 1/4. $19 1/4. It's uneven. So the way you make your adjustment is you're going to have to loosen the bolt here, and you'll see how much it goes up and down. I mean, there's a good inch there, so I'm going to put it all the way on the bottom there. Let's remeasure. And we're at 18 1/4. So I'll go ahead and tighten it up. I'll go ahead and raise this one up just a little bit. Yes, the OCD is kicking in. here's the finished product. Make sure everything's lined up. Looking pretty good. Now for the length of the pipes, you'll see they line up with the bags. Love it. They're not sitting right here. That was the previous length, and I just couldn't really get used to it, so I think I really like these 18 inchers a lot better. Okay, let's fire it up and let's see what it sounds like, or let's hear what it sounds like. I have not fired it up yet, so there's going to be some smoke from the WD-40.